Here it is, Friday, January 21st. So that's 3 weeks in January, but it's been about a month. But I got dumped on the 25th. So I don't know. It looks like it would be 3 weeks now, or is it a month? Anyway, I don't know. I just wanted to report that the last couple of days since my little meltdown, I've actually had a fantastic conversation with a female, and she is a rock star, and she just kind of set my head straight. So my news is that 100% I'm staying as a single tenant in this apartment, and he can just go. This little suitcase and, his guitar and his pink couch. So now that I know really, really where I'm going, I have less panic. I don't care at all about this guy with whatever life he set up for himself. I'm completely 100% fine, and no, I'm not going to be the sweet Anne and have somebody take advantage of me. So when he comes in today, I'll be like, hey, are the things ever coming from your parents? Or do you want me to go and get them with some people? That's awkward, and they're older. So, and then I'll be like, hey, you have a new life, and it's happening while we're under the same roof. So for me, you've changed so much that I'm creeped out by you, so I am staying in the bedroom to feel safe being in the space with you. So yeah, he's going to be couch guy until he decides that he can just get out. What else? There's something else. Last night, I made my first sale, even though I've set up like a million things to sell. I just really don't count it until the whole cold hard cash is in my hand. So yesterday, after about a minute of being online, the Mac went low price that I put out there. I just wanted to get it gone because this is one thing that he said, oh, I was going to take that off your hands. And then I was like, no, I don't need to make anyone's life more comfortable. That did a lot of damage to my heart. So yeah, when I got in yesterday, after I returned his presents and got a little gift card so that at some point I can find a nice soft pink Mongolian fur pillow. And I walked in, he's like, I just ignored it. Put the milk in the fridge. I was like, what? Did you sell the Mac? I didn't answer the question. He doesn't answer questions about, he tries to answer questions, but he just bold-faced lies to me. So I just didn't answer questions. It's none of his business what I do with my things. He was like, I told you I was going to keep that. I could have paid you. And I just kept letting him talk and what about my business. And he was freaking out. And he's biting his nails like you wouldn't believe. It was exactly the guy that drove me nuts day in and day out. Biting those nails. Not even biting the nails. Chewing the stuff underneath the nails. Oh, you know how dirty that is? Whatever's under your nails. Anyway, it was nice to finally see a reaction because the way he felt about that computer is pretty much the same way I felt about him leaving me. So he might not have felt it about me, but he definitely felt it in me getting rid of something that belonged to me, that was my husband's. And so I thanked David for giving me a little bit of money, put it in my envelope so I can pay my rent. So I figured out I'm just going to put exactly what I said, money in an envelope for my rent. I'm only going to pay rent from the things that I sell. So that's it. I don't even want to touch my paycheck. So I'm so flippin' exciting. And as I told you all, my car payments are finished. just at the beginning of July. So I am having a blast just thinking about my new life and getting set up. So anyway, yeah, today I gotta have a little chat with this guy. And because I'm not moving out of the bedroom, he creeps me out. I don't know who he is. It's freaky. So he can stay on the couch or he can move in with his girlfriend or boyfriend since he was going to see a guy that night. Haha. Anyway, hope you all have a fantastic day. I'm not sure about the videos on the weekend, but I'll keep you posted.